napatagal yung shoot. Pero okay lang kasi syempre pinapaganda natin yung bawat eksena. Guys, nasa taping na ako. Medyo late. Now, I'm eating my bread with peanut butter. Tapos naka-live na rin tayo sa Bigo. Tapos naka-makeup na. And, yes. Waiting for the take na. Ngayon. Wala pang ganap. Doon lang ba? Ano ko, 3 eksena ko today. Pero isang buong chunk rin. So we'll see kung ano siya matatapos. Now it's already 10 o'clock. I'll update you guys. Hello mga Zoos! Meron tayong bisita. Ayan no? Why are you here in the taping, Mimi? Why are you here in the taping?
Look at the camera. Darling, say hi to mga Zoos.
Say hi to mga Zoos. Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka?
On the work.
On the work.
You know, earlier she said, carry me. I said, bakit? Sabi na, may cars dito.
May cars dito.
Di pwede.
Mims, nasaan ka?
Nasaan ka dahil?
Bakit ka nandito sa work ko?
Running.
Oh, run.
I'm running.
You're not running, you're sitting.
Binisita nila ako kasi matatapos na ako. Kaya nandito na sila. Napaaga lang ng konti.
Mama.
Are you happy you're here in the work? Sino ba yan?
Kita ba?
Look at me.
And then earlier, she wanted a straw. And then she said, bakit ang tagal nila?
Oh, you say hi to your dad.
Say hi, Mimi. Siya nag-makeup sa akin, si Marcy.
Wow. Hi.
Ang ganda naman ng eyes mo. Si Lele and si Mimi.
Hi, Lele and Mimi. See you in Adelaide.
Punta siyang Adelaide.
Ah, talaga? Bakit?
May friend daw siya doon. Biometrics mo today, di ba?
Tapos na.
Tapos na? Oh.
Ang bongga mo naman. Kaya pala
Malalaman mo na yan
mamantika ka na today. Meron naman.
Pasado na? Ay, congrats!
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got that motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough, I try my best to look away but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on you. Can't take my eyes on. 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 Your head's turned, you make my heart burn. It's like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer, night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough.
Mga Zoobs! Ayan, may ilaw ako! Tapos na ako sa taping! Grabe, in-anticipate ko na maaga ako matatapos. Marami pala yung eksena na yun, mahaba. So, ngayon, gabi na tayo natapos. Ayan. Ayan, ilaw. Gabi na tayo natapos.
Mom, I wanna go fast.
Di pwede, babe. Traffic nga. Medyo nasa stoplight tayo kaya tayo nahinto. Pauwi na kami sa hotel, mga Zoobs. Ayan, naranasan nilang mag-antay ng matagal dahil, yun nga, sa hindi sinasadyang pagkakataon, napatagal yung shoot. Pero okay lang kasi syempre, pinapaganda natin yung bawat eksena. Sige, mamaya na ako magbablog, mga Zoobs, dahil medyo madilim. Importante na sa kotse na tayo. At pauwi na.
Mommy.
With me?
Yeah.
Oh, you say, hi mga Zoobs.
Hi mga Zoobs.
Open ko.
Open ko.
Advent calendar.
Advent calendar. Let's ready.
Ngayon.
Ngayon. Let's open it now.
Ngayon ay... So, ngayon ay...
Ngayon ay
December
December
5.
5.
Bubuksan
Buksan
natin.
With Mommy.
Yes.
So, where is it? Okay.
Ang galing magtagalog ni
Where's it,
Mimi.
Mom?
Oh, choose. Where's December 5? Di ba you know number 5? You know our room is 5. Oh, that's 20. This one. That's 5. Oh, buksan mo.
Take it to the towel.
Dali.
Wait.
Buksan mo. Pakita mo sa mga Zoobs. Ano ba laman yan? Don't break the box.
Don't break the box.
Ow.
Hmm.
Mommy's only.
So, awi. Oh, ano yan?
Family break.
Ano yan?
That's a cram in the break.
Oh, alam ko yan. Oh, you show the vlog. Ano yan? Oh, you eat it there. Not here.
Dad, look at this.
What is it?
It's cute.
It's cute.
It's cute. You try it.
Say maganda.
Masarap ba?
Say masarap.
Masarap.
Yummy. Masarap.
Mommy, try.
Ayoko, nagda-diet ako. Masarap ba? Okay.
Yeah.
Salamat, Hilton.
Salamat, Hilton.
Bukas open natin December 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, bakit makabalik?
Wait.
Tinikuha na lang ma.
Kasi we're saving it for tomorrow.
We're saving tomorrow kasi gabi na, diba?
Gabi na.
Oh, hugas kamay doon.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Say goodbye muna to the vlog.
Bye.
Oh. Ako na, babe. Ako na mag-ayos. Ako na. Ayan, mga Zoobs. Tayo ay naka-ready na din sa pagtulog dahil medyo late namin nabuksan tong kalendaryo today dahil galing tayo sa taping. At naging mahaba ang araw natin today. Yung mga bata, pagod na yan actually. But si Mimi kasi nakatulog siya sa kotse kanina kaya medyo hyper pa siya. Si Aliyah tulog na, napagod siya sa haba ng nabiyahe namin
Mommy, I'm
kanina.
gonna get water.
Okay. And then toothbrush?
Hey, Mom.
Okay. So, ayan. So, bukas naman ulit. Bubuksan natin ang ating December 6 na pangkalendaryo. Tignan natin kung ano ba yung pinakahihintay natin dito everyday. Kasi maganda to, Hilton. Thank you so much. Laging excited yung mga anak ko. Looking forward sila everyday na buksan ang boxes dito. So, maraming salamat. And thank you so much mga Zoobs sa panonood ng ating vlog for today. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye!